no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so.
So apparently you like the R33 GTR giveaway. So I welcome you to the Godzilla Midnight Purple R33 GTR.
Really upset that they show some respect. I can't even think about it. I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. We'll never see it when I kick my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up and go ka-ching and on a pia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stay the feeder and put it back into the bit cause I don't really need it.
So not only have we got one of the most iconic JDM imports, but also in the most sought after color. Now let's go over some of these actual molds. So somehow this GTR has only got 90,000 kilometers on it. And of course, powered by the RB26 twin turbo with the Link ECU making 330 real kilowatts. Some of the other parts we've got are ARP head studs, adjustable cam gear, porch matched manifold, Garrett -9 turbos, HKS actuators, and the HKS pod filters. Now aesthetically, we've got that ARC front mount intercooler. And if you come over here, she's sitting on nothing but the best, the Shockworks coilovers, and some brand new Work GT5 wheels, wrapped in semi slick tyres, with some Brembo brakes tucked right in there. Now come have a look at this fat ass with me. So at the back here, we've got that adjustable aerodynamic wiring. Got the notorious tail lights, Blitz Nerf Spec exhaust. Rear diffuser and the R GT bag. It gotta die today. It gotta go. You should be happy I lighten the load. The weight of your air. Now interior. Does it really need words? That chip on your shoulder gonna crumble and fold. Yeah. It's not a secret that you have been fearing the shit that I'm on, so you back to the brag and the boast. But I'm in a class of my own. I heard they checking for me. So that's it. If you want to double your chances to win this bad boy, we're giving that opportunity to the first 2,000 only. So make sure you head yourself to keeperreet.com.